Hello everyone, welcome to the Flutist Programmer, where code and music meet creativity. And today we are going to learn why JavaScript is a dynamic interpreted programming language, but also at the same time is a weakly typed programming language. On the first column for the dynamic interpreted programming language, we have that it says that it's not pre-compiled, instead parsed and compiled on the fly. This means that your code can be evaluated and executed on runtime. So when you are hitting a website and then it's just loading, as we referenced on the previous lesson, that's when your JavaScript code is running on real time, and that's when it's going to get compiled. So of course also the code can change at runtime. This means that some variables could be changing with the passing time, and we are going to get into this in just a few seconds. On the second column for the weakly typed programming language, we have that the data types are assumed example assigned variables automatically. So this means, like, for example, if I have a variable that is called variable1, and then I want to set a value of m as mother, and then maybe some other few lines later I want to change to a number, in this case a, that means that the data type of that variable, variable1, is going to change from being a string to be a number. So this means that we don't set a specific data type of variable at the beginning, so that variable can store any kind of data type. So you don't define that variable has to hold a certain value, as I was saying also. Example, in this case, on the first example, the m as mother is a string, but then I just change to a number. That means that I'm making the transition from the data type to string to number. And the data types are not set in stone, but can change. As I was saying also, depending to your needs or your logic or any kind of code that you are trying to execute, the same variables that you have on the beginning could be changing of values with the passing time on some other few lines later in your code.